Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exams Point Note. Today we are going to discuss 20 PYQs of chapter Biological Classification which are important for your exams. Let's start. Question number first. Five kingdom system of classification suggested by R.H. Whittaker is not based on options are A. Complexity of body organization, B. Presence or absence of a well-defined nucleus, C. Mode of reproduction, D. Mode of nutrition. So as we all know, the main criteria for classification used by R.H. Whittaker was based on cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, and phylogenetic relationship. Hence, the answer of this question is presence of presence or absence of a well-defined nucleus is not based on R.H. Whittaker five kingdom classification. Now the next question. Question number 2. In the five kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included in. Our options are Protista, Algae, Plantae, or Monera. As Chlamydomonas and Chlorella are blue-green algae that belong to kingdom Plantae, division Algae, and class Chlorophyceae. In five kingdom classification, they were placed in kingdom Protista. So the answer of this question is Protista. Option number A, Protista. Let's see the next question. Question number 3. In which kingdom would you classify the archaea and the nitrogen fixing organism if the five kingdom system of classification is used? Our options are A. Plantae, B. Fungi, C. Protista, D. Monera. So according to five kingdom classification, all prokaryotic cells have been classified under the kingdom Monera. So the answer of this question, option number D, Monera. Let's see the next question. Question number 4. In the five kingdom system, the main basis of classification is, options are structure of nucleus, B. Mode of nutrition, C. Structure of cell wall, D. Asexual reproduction. So mode of nutrition is one of the main criteria for classification used by R.H. Whittaker. So the answer is option number B. Now next question. Question number 5. According to five kingdom system, blue-green algae belongs to A. Metaphyta, B. Monera, C. Protista, D. Algae. Blue-green algae, being unicellular and prokaryotic, belong to kingdom Monera of five kingdom classification given by R.H. Whittaker. Hence, the answer of this question is option number B, Monera. Next question. Question number 6. Which one of the following is correct statement? The options are mycoplasm have DNA, ribosome, and cell wall. Option number B. Cyanobacteria are a group of autotrophic organisms classified under the kingdom Monera. Option number C. Bacteria are exclusively heterotrophic organism. Option number D. Slime moulds are saprophytic organism classified under kingdom Monera. So only option B is the correct and rest the statements are incorrect. Mycoplasma is a bacterium that lacks cell wall photosynthesis bacteria classified under kingdom Monera. Hence the answer of this question is option number B. Next question. Which one of the following is incorrect about cyanobacteria? Option number A. They lack heterocytes. Option number B. They often blooms in polluted water bodies. Option number C. They have chlorophyll A similar to green plants. Option number D. They are photoautotrophs. And cyanobacteria have chlorophyll A similar to green plants and photosynthesis autotroph. Some of these organisms can fix autotrophic nitrogen is specialized cell called heterocytes. Hence the answer of this question is A. They lack heterocytes. Next question. Question number 8. Which one of the following are found in extreme saline conditions? Options are Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, Cyanobacteria, or Mycobacteria. Here the answer of this question is option number A, Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria are special since they live in some of the most harsh habitats such as extreme salty area, hot springs, and marshy areas. Hence the answer is Archaebacteria. Next question. Question number 9. methanogens belongs to? Options are A. Dinoflagellates, B. Slime molds, C. Eubacteria, D. Archaebacteria. Here the answer of this question is option number D. Archaebacteria. Methanogens belong to Archaebacteria and are present in the gut of several ruminant animals such as cows and buffaloes, and they are responsible for the production of methane during the dung of these animals. Next question. Question number 10. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Option number A. Cyanobacteria are also called blue-green bacteria. It's a correct answer. Option number B. Golden algae are also called desmids. Option number C. Eubacteria are also called false bacteria. Option number D. Phygomycetes are also called algal fungi. Here the answer of this question is option number D. Option number C. Because eubacteria are also known as true bacteria. They are categorized by the presence of rigid cell wall and, if motile, a flagellum. Next question. True nucleus is absent in option number A. Vaucheria. Option number B. Volvox. Option number C. Anabana. Option number D. Mucor. The correct answer is option number C. Anabana. Because Vaucheria and Volvox are eukaryotes, while Mucor is a fungi and a eukaryote. Hence, they have nucleus present. Next question. The gut of a cow and buffalo possesses option number A. Methanogens. Option number B. Cyanobacteria. Option number C. Fucus. And option number D. Chlorella. The correct answer option number A. Methanogens. Methanogens. Some of the methanogens live inside rumen of cow and buffalo and helps to ruminants in fermentation of cellulose. Hence, the gut of cow and buffalo possesses methanogens. Next question is question number 13. Cell wall is absent in option number A. Funaria. Option number B. Mycoplasma. Option number C. Nostoc. Option number D. Aspergillus. The correct answer option number B. Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma are organisms that completely lacks cell wall. They are the smallest living cells known and can survive without oxygen. Hence, cell wall is absent in mycoplasma. Next question. Question number 14. Nuclear membrane is absent in option number A. Nostoc. Option number B. Penicillium. Option number C. Agaricus. Option number D. Volvox. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Nostoc. Nuclear membrane is absent in Nostoc, while remaining three are eukaryotes, and Nostoc is a prokaryote. Next question. Question number 15. The cyanobacteria is also referred as option number A. Blue-green algae. Option number B. Protists. Option number C. Golden algae. And option number D. Slime molds. The correct option is option number A. Blue-green algae. The cyanobacteria are also referred to as blue-green algae. It belongs to eubacteria. Next question. Question number 16. Maximum nutritional diversity is found in group A. Plantae, B. Fungi, C. Animalia, D. The correct answer is option number D. Monera. Monera have maximum nutritional diversity as some of them are autotrophs, heterotrophs, septotrophs, and parasites. Hence, it have maximum number of diversity. Next question. Question number 17. In eubacteria, a cellular component that resembles eukaryotic cell is option number A. Cell wall. Option number B. Plasma membrane. Option number C. Nucleus. Option number D. Ribosome. The correct answer is option number B. Plasma membrane. Bacterial membrane are similar to eukaryotic membrane in that many of them amphipathic lipids are phospholipids. Hence, the answer is plasma membrane. Next question. Question number 18. Oxygenic occur in option number A. Chlorobium. Option number B. Clomatium. Option number C. Oscillatoria. Option number D. Rhodospirillum. The correct answer is option number C. Oscillatoria. Next question. Question 19. Thermococcus, Methanococcus, and Ethanobacterium exemplify option number A. Bacteria whose DNA is relaxed and positively supercoiled, but which is cytoskeleton as well as mitochondria? B. Bacteria that contains a cytoskeleton and ribosome. Option number C. Archaebacteria that contains protein homologous to eubacteria core histones. Option number D. Archaebacteria that lacks any histones resembling those found in the eukaryotes but whose DNA is negatively supercoiled. The correct answer is option number C. Archaebacteria that contains protein homologous to eukaryotic core histones. Protein of archaebacteria closely resembles the eukaryotic cells in the mechanism of protein synthesis, structural protein, and RNA complements of the ribosomes. Hence, Thermococcus, Methanococcus, and Methanobacterium are archaebacteria. Next question. It is the last question of this lecture, and you have to comment this answer in the comment box. Let's discuss the question. Which statement is correct for bacterial transduction? Option number A, transfer of some genes from one bacteria to another bacteria through the virus. Option number B, transfer of genes from one bacteria to another by conjugation. Option number C, bacteria obtained in DNA directly. Option number D, bacteria obtained DNA from other external sources. Here, transduction is one of the methods of introduction of foreign genes into a cell. In this method, virus is used to transfer genes from one cell bacteria to another bacteria. You have to comment this answer in the comment box, and we will discuss it in our next video. Thank you very much. Subscribe our channel Exam Points and Notes for further videos like this, and visit our Telegram channel. Link is in the description box to download the PDF of today's lecture. Thank you very much.